Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Sir Leo and this is The Creative Professor. In my previous video, you learned how to create a multiple choice test in Google Classroom. Now that you're done making your test, the second step is to create your answer key. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen so you could customize the settings for your quiz. There are three tabs in the settings: General, Presentation, and Quizzes. We need to customize the settings in these three tabs to make sure that they are appropriate for the quiz that you have created. In the General tab, click on Collect Email Addresses if you want your students to type in their email in your quiz. Click on Response Receipts if you want them to receive a copy of their answers to your quiz. In this case, you do that automatically by clicking Always, or give them the option if they want to receive a copy of their answers. Since this is a quiz, you want to allow them to answer your quiz only once. But you don't want them to edit their answers after submission or see charts and text responses. Let us go to the next tab, Presentation. If your quiz is long, you may want your students to see how far they have answered by enabling the progress bar. You may shuffle questions so they appear in different random orders in every student to avoid cheating or sharing of answers. Your confirmation message appears at the end of the quiz after your students submit it. You may use this default message or write another one of your own. Finally, the Quizzes tab. You want to enable Make It a Quiz so you could assign points for your items and allow automatic checking and grading. You may also release their scores right after submission, or release it later after you have manually reviewed their answers. You want your students to see only the point values so they would know their scores, but not the correct answers or missed questions to prevent the correct answers from leaking to other students who have not answered your quiz yet. Double check if all your settings are correct. Once you are done, just click Save. It is that easy to customize the settings of your multiple choice test, right? Now let's go back to your quiz. Back on your quiz, you want to include the answer key so that Google Forms can automatically check your students' answers. To do that, make sure that you mark each item as required. Click on Answer Key and choose the correct answer for your question. Lastly, assign the point value of each item and click Done. You will do the same process in all the items of your quiz. At the top portion of your quiz, you will see the total number of items. Now, you can distribute the quiz to your students. To do this, go back to Google Classroom where you have the quiz assignment screen. On the right side of your screen, you need to customize your quiz settings. Choose which classes you want to send it to. Assign the number of points. Set a due date. and assign a topic. Since our quiz has an answer key and will be checked automatically, we can skip making the rubric. Now, all you have to do is to assign this activity. You can send it immediately, schedule it, or save it as a draft. Your quiz assignment will appear in the Classwork tab. It will also appear on the Stream tab as an announcement. That's it. Now you know how to make a multiple choice test. This video is part 3 of a Google Classroom tutorial series for teachers. And in our next videos, we are going to explore more about online learning tools and digital educational platforms that you could use for your online classes. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel, The Creative Professor. Thanks for watching! Please do like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Creative Professor.